Thomas rolls in morning light, sunny sky so warm and bright. Choo-choo, here we go, happy tracks and friends we know.
Through the town and down the way, fun and friends all through the day. Click-clack, wheels so fast, good times always want to last.
Welcome to Easy English Listening Practice. Today's story is about Thomas and his little train friends. They work together, help each other, and learn to be brave. This story uses slow and easy English. Please listen carefully and enjoy the adventure. Let's begin!
Good morning. What a bright day. Morning, Thomas. Hello. Ready for work?
Thomas! Wait for me! Oh, I came early today.
Good job, Mia. Busy day today.
Really?
Yes. 3 new train cars arrive soon.
New friends? Nice! Wow, big station.
Hi. Welcome, friends. Are you okay? It is our first work day.
I feel scared.
It's okay. I'm here.
These are for you. For us? Yes. Welcome flags. Thank you.
This is the food platform.
Oh, very clean.
Look at the cakes. Haha. Hello, Thomas.
Hello there.
He knows your name.
We are old friends. Please keep this safe.
I will. What is it for?
A special delivery route.
Have a good trip.
See you later.
We can do this.
Adventure time! Left or right? Wait, where is the map? Uh-oh, it is missing? No. Take a breath. I had it before.
Maybe it fell out?
Oh, I hope not. I saw paper near the market.
Really? Maybe the map. Let's check there.
Okay, slowly now. Oh, Kousinger's Wountig. Hurry, Gummy!
Ho! I'm Lone. Make she's moomin' and comes.
Haloops.
Wait! The dog has something!
Buddy, come back.
Is that the map? I think it is.
Oh, this paper?
Yes, thank you.
That is our map. Buddy found it.
Good dog.
I am sorry.
Mistakes happen.
We found it now. Now.
Everything is okay. We work together. Back on track. Nice river. The air feels good. Thank you, everyone. We are a team.
My airplane.
Careful! Stay back! Oh no! We must help.
Slow down safely. Thank you.
You are safe now. Good stop, Thomas. Good stop, Thomas. Wow, fast thinking. Huh, that was close.
I don't like tunnels.
Stay close. It is only a tunnel.
I know, but still, we are here with you.
Thomas? I'm here. Please don't go fast. Okay, slow and steady. You are doing well.
Look, funny wheels.
That helped. That helped. I feel better now.
I see the light.
Almost there.
You did great. Tunnel hero. Really? Ah, sunshine. You were brave. Tunnel champion. You stayed calm. Thank you.
Welcome. Hello, everyone.
So friendly. I like the red car.
Oh, thank you. Thomas, can you hear me?
Yes, Ben.
A food delivery is late.
We will hurry safely.
Important job! Fresh bread coming in! It smells so good. Careful with the fruit. Ready to move. Everything looks nice. Stay calm. Catch those papers! Whoa! They are everywhere! I got one! You saved it!
Oh, really?
Great work, C. You are fast.
I did it.
Busy today.
So many trains.
Please wait here.
Wow, big station. It feels loud.
Oranges! Oh no! Careful, everyone.
Stop the wheels!
Watch your step!
I got one!
Thank you. Teamwork helps. Everyone is kind here. Fast orange team! We are late now. Only a little. Can we still make it? We will try. Together. Hold tight.
Whee! Safe speed, please.
Always safe.
This feels fast.
Easy now. Cute cow. Sorry. Moo! Please move safely. Thank you for waiting. No problem.
No problem. Safety first.
The food is here! Right on time. We made it! Yes! Good work, everyone. Fresh bread coming through! Thank you. Thank you. Good teamwork today. Very good teamwork. And fast, too. You did excellent work. Thank you, Ben.
Even me?
Yes, especially you.
Oh, wow.
Long day. Very long. But good. Very good. We helped many people.
Thomas! Hello again.
Hello again. How was the trip? Crazy and fun!
And a little scary. I was scared inside the tunnel. Really? But my friends helped me. That is very nice.
We stayed together.
These are brave stars. For us? Yes.
Wow, thank you. They look nice.
Good day. You helped many people today. That feels nice. It should.
Best day ever!
Safe this time. Very safe. No dogs now. Haha, good idea.
Can I take a photo?
Of course.
Best side. Smile. Smile. Pretty lights. I like evenings here.
Me too. Very peaceful.
Very pretty.
Fresh bread for the team.
Yum!
Thank you, Ben. That smells amazing. Warm bread is the best.
Today was special.
Yes, very special.
I am happy now.
You all did well.
We learned a lot.
Busy stations are loud and quiet later. I like both. Me too. Every day feels different.